Hello everyone, my name is Sesil Chakradhar from June 2018 semester at Sunway International Business School. This video presents my final year project, a web-based food delivery application called FoodiEasy. This application is developed using React.js as front-end, Django as back-end, Python and JavaScript as the core programming language, and NeonDB, PostgreSQL as the database. FoodEasy is designed to provide an efficient, user-friendly platform that connects customers with local restaurants and delivery services. The main objectives of this project is to implement a secure, stateless authentication system, to provide a real-time lifecycle management system, to offer a dedicated management dashboard for restaurants, to integrate a transparent rating and review system. I will now begin by providing an overview of the application, which is the primary interface of the application. So this is how it looks like. It's very user-friendly and easy to use. Now let's move on to the login page. Before we log in, we have to create an account. So to do that, let's move on to the sign up page. Now, as we move on to the sign up page, you can see there are options. And there are three types of account that you can create. One is as the customer, second, the restaurant owner, and delivery rider. So first, let's start by a random name. Let's name it Sesil, last name Chakradhar, and let's keep an email of phone number. So let's make the account for restaurant owner first. Password must be of minimum 8 characters. Let's keep a random password for now. The password must match. Now this is how the dashboard looks like after you create an account. So after we have signed up as a restaurant owner, now we have to create restaurant. Let's give a random name like Kathmandu Burger House. Address Gazimpat, Kathmandu. Let's keep a random number for now. 98123445. You can select any cuisine type that you want. For now, let's keep it other. A normal introduction for the restaurant. Very good and tasty burgers. So we have now created the restaurant piece. After you have created the restaurant piece, let's move on to the menu part where you have to add menu of the food items that's available in your restaurant. Since it's a burger house, let's keep burger as the first option. Category, main course, price. Let's keep a random price of 150 for now. NPR. Different options like bacon, chicken, etc. We have added an item. Now let's create last one more item. Let's just keep momo. Main course, price 100. Tasty momos. Add item. So this is how it looks like now. Okay, for now, let's go to the home page again where we have to log in. Now sign up as a customer. Let's keep a random name, Ram. Shrestha. Email address, ramshrestha @gmail.com. These are all random names. 977 9843 6084. Okay. So for now, we just made a restaurant owner. Now let's move on to the customer. Password random. Now we have created an account for a customer. This is how it looks like for the customer. Now you can select any restaurant that's there. So let's start with the recent one that we just created, Kathmandu Burger House. So you can, for now we have only kept 2 items as the food, but later on we can keep lots of foods. So let's keep one burger and one plate momo. And these are the options. This is the cart. This is how the cart looks like. Burger and momo. So there's the total fee that you need to pay. So after doing this, you can increase the number of orders, or you can delete it also. So for now, let's move on with this and proceed to checkout. So for delivery address, let's keep a random place, Big Mart, as in part. For now, we only have cash on delivery payment method, but we'll be soon keeping the card payment option too. Now, after you place the order, you can view details too. So for now, it's pending because the restaurant have not confirmed it. So since this is from the Kathmandu Burger House and we created an account, let's log into the Kathmandu Burger House page. Just now we created it using Sesil Chakradhar at gmail.com and the password. So just now, as soon as the order came up, there's a pending order that can be viewed from this order section. So as you can see, the same order that Ram did it just now from the customer account. So let's accept the order for now. Now, as soon as you accept the order in the customer's dashboard, there will be preparing. The detail will be written as preparing. So after you prepare the order and after it's prepared, you can mark it as ready. Now this is ready for pickup. Now this, after it's ready for pickup, now we have one more option to make an account, that's for rider. So let's sign up as a rider first. Okay, let's keep Lakshmi Shrestha. Lakshmi Shrestha @gmail.com and a random number for now. So now let's make it for the rider. Password. So we have created an account for the rider. This is how it looks like for the rider. As soon as the restaurant marked the order ready, there is one available order. As you can see, this from Kathmandu Burger House that needs to be delivered to Big Mart Lazinpat. And this is the delivery fee. So after you get the order, you can accept the order. Now, as soon as you accept the order, after you pick it up, select the option marked picked up. So as soon as you select the option marked picked up, Let's log into the customer account again. Ram Shrestha. So the order was pending at the beginning, and when the restaurant received the order and accepted, it shows accepted here. But since the rider have already picked up the order, the status shows out for delivery. That means the order is picked up by the rider and soon will be delivered to you. Now, after the rider marks it delivered by giving you the delivery, the status here will be delivered. So for that, let's move on to the rider's account again. Okay, let's mark it as delivered. Okay, now we have completed a full cycle between the restaurant owner, the customer, and the rider. This is the earning of the rider. He has delivered one, so as soon as he does the other deliveries, this number will increase and his earnings will also increase. Now, let's move on to the user again. Let's move on to the restaurant first. In this restaurant also, the status is already delivered. Let's view details. So the order has been delivered and the total amount of 250 have been received. Now for the last one, let's move on to the customers. That's what seems to be wrong. So in this customers also, the status is already delivered. So this was the restaurant's dashboard. I mistakenly logged in as the restaurant owner. Let's log in as the customer again. This was the customer ID. So the status is delivered here, as you can see, to the restaurant owner too, and to the customer too. Okay, now the main objective, the last objective of the project was to leave a transparent rating so that the other customers know how the restaurant services are. So we also have an option for that. So just now we ordered from Kathmandu Burger House. You can only review it after you have ordered something. Let's leave a review. Let's say this is the customer review. You can write a review. Okay, let's give it a four star for now. Excellent service, good food, and timely delivery. Thank you. So this is how you can leave a review so that the other customers who are trying to order from the same restaurant can see the reviews. So this is how my final year project, FoodiEasy online food delivery system looks like. FoodiEasy demonstrates the practical application of modern web technologies to solve real-world problems in the food delivery sector of Kathmandu, Nepal. Through this project, I was able to design a website while strengthening my skills. This project reflects my learning throughout the program. Thank you for watching.